Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli, sitting in the Tesla. It is snowing. It's going to be a beautiful snow day today. Ice and sleet, my favorite. I'm going to do some videos later on in the snow. I love snow. Anyway, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe. If you're coming back, thank you for your support. Your support is very appreciative, especially my Patreons. Today's topic is size does matter. Don't let anybody tell you that it doesn't. Well, when it comes to onboard charging, size really matters. And as a electric car owner for the past 3.5 years, I owned the Ford Fusion Energy plug-in, the Chevy Volt, the Nissan Leaf, and now I own the Tesla Model 3. I can tell you that at the beginning, when electric cars just came, and especially enthusiastic people like me, it doesn't matter. You come into the house, you plug the car, you wake up in the morning, and it's all full and you're ready to go. That is true. But there's something called the day-to-day life, the daily life, that you stop somewhere, you have to go to the supermarket, you have to go here, you have to go there, and then you have opportunities to charge your car on the go, at work, at a rest area or whatever. So, that's where when onboard chargers come extremely handy and important. Why? Because sometimes you need a jolt of electricity. So let's say I came to work. This happens to me all the time. I came to work. I know that in an hour I have a meeting. I charge the car. I go out. Now, if the onboard charger of your car is not big enough, then whatever electricity you're going to give to it from the outside, whether it's 32 amps, 48 amps, doesn't matter what comes from the outside. If it cannot receive it, if the bowl cannot receive the water you put in it, then it's going to spill. It's not going to be enough. So what I mean is that the onboard charger becomes very important to your daily life. Now, I don't want to mix in fast charging on road trips. I speak a lot about it, but most of your charging, 99% of your charging is going to be at home, at work, rest area, restaurant, somewhere you go, because a lot of onboard chargers, chargers are now available. So let me give you some numbers with no particular order. So, for example, the Tesla Model S and X, their onboard charger is 11.5 kilowatt, receiving 48 amps. So that's great. If you have a 48 amp output in your garage, work, whatever, and you charge your Tesla, you can get up to, I think, almost like 50 miles an hour. That's wonderful. My Tesla Model 3 that I'm sitting right now has a 7.7 kilowatt hour onboard charger and a 32 amps. So when I charge my car, it gives me about 25-ish miles an hour. Great. You park for a couple hours, you want to go somewhere, you get 50 miles added to your range. The Chevy Bolt EV, also great, 7.2 kilowatt hour and a 32 amp. Excellent. Now, the Chevy Volt, here it is, let me show it to you. It's parked. Let me see if you can see it. Can you? Yes, there it is. My Chevy Volt, this is the 2016. The onboard charger is 3.6. It is, I have a Turtle at home. My Turtle ran faster than this Volt and it charged. Okay, it's molasses. It's so slow. I think it's 12 amp, 8 to 12 amp. It takes 4.5 hours. Okay, so if I go to work, I park it 4.5 hours. I work 8-9 hours, fine. But oftentimes, I park, I have to go to a meeting. After an hour, I gained, 4 miles, 5 miles. It's ridiculous. A couple more numbers. My old Nissan Leaf, my 2015, and those who come now, 6.6. It's not the best, but it's very good. You can charge your car. Usually you are half full. In like 4 hours you can gain 40 miles, 50 miles, something like that. It's really, really great. Even more, 60 miles. It's wonderful. The one more of the newcomers, the Hyundai Kona 7.2. So what I always preach to you, invest your money in the battery, in the range. You know, I'll take range over I don't know, technology, because you want to get places. But also, it's very important that you make sure that the onboard charger of your car, and usually, and many people buy used car. This is really for the used car. The new ones all have 6.6 and up, which is great. But if you buy a used car, make sure that you invest in the size of the battery, but also see what is the onboard charger. Now, the Nissan Leafs, not all of them had 6.6. There are models that have 3.3, I believe. So this is when and where size does matter. All right. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Like all my videos, they're always helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Support this channel by becoming a patron. I'll see you tomorrow with another video.